Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to be discussing the latest update from Google Stitch, which is a really good UI UX designer. But also at the same time, I want to show you guys how you can take what you get from Stitch and turn it into a full service-based website. Let's jump into things. I'm not on video, guys. I'm feeling a little bit sick. I should be back on tomorrow, but yeah, just haven't been feeling too good the last couple of days. So you can see here on X, Gemini 3 Flash is coming to Stitch. Faster iteration helps you design better products. You can now explore more ideas at faster speeds with amazing quality. If you need more reasoning power, use Pro. And you can just see it's significantly faster than Pro. And this is the example that they give, which is a pretty decent looking website. So let's just jump into this, and we're going to select web, obviously, and I'm just going to say homepage for a Rolls-Royce rental service-based website, and just press generate here, like that. So just a couple of things, guys. I've noticed that you need to actually be on the page, otherwise it's not that fast. So don't be alt-tabbing onto old-school RuneScape to click this giant star and things like that. Just watch the process. Otherwise, for some reason, it doesn't actually render at the very end either. And if you want the real speed of things, then obviously yeah. Okay. Just before continuing, guys, a quick word from our sponsor, me. HarborSEO.ai is now free for 3 months. We're updating this thing pretty much every single week. If I show you the latest feature, if I just go on the linker here, we just created a link bait building feature, which basically generates these pages that you can see here with, for example, an infographic or a calculator or something like that on it, which will help you get backlinks, but also huge amounts of traffic that will get you in LLMs and also to the top of Google. Also, just another quick thing to mention is we're also currently offering 50% off our backlinks. So if you do need backlinks and you just need that little bit of an extra push for your business, then you can get some extremely cost-effective links right now, $375 a month, with a 50% discount on top of that. The first 3 months are 180 euros for 28 contextual backlinks, going all the way up to 204 backlinks. And obviously this is 50% off as well. So definitely, guys, sign up for Harbor. Harbor itself is completely free. The backlinks as well are 50% off. Come and talk today, or just sign up harborseo.ai. Thanks for the attention. Let's get back to the video. So we have the result here, at least the first thing. And then what you can actually do is you can say design all screens based on, I guess, the first one or the second one. I think I prefer the second one on the second page. So let's just delete this on this homepage. So I'm just going to say design all screens based on this homepage and press enter. And then I'm just going to jump on over to AntiGravity, and I'm going to open a new folder, and I'm just going to call this Rolls-Royce website Stitch, and then open this. And then instead of doing like one giant prompt, I'm going to show you guys how quickly and easily you can actually build something using Gemini 3 Flash using step-by-step prompting. So I'm just going to say, create me a new Next.js website. And that'll just start doing that. And then while that's doing that, this one will start designing all of the screens. So one really cool thing, and actually quite unique thing about AntiGravity, is that it can press enter on the Next.js install screen, which is super nice. Okay, so from here, we can just grab this first bit of code, and you can press view code, export code. It doesn't really matter. Let's just go view code, and then copy code at the top here. Now this should be done in just a second. So it's got ahead of itself. It started doing stuff. I'm just going to press stop here. I'm just going to say input this homepage into my Next.js project. Don't hard code stuff. Press enter. Right, so this should put this design into this project. So you want to be pressing this button down here, like this little file button, and then just pressing accept all every now and then, right? Okay, guys, I'm actually glad this happened. So I just got hit by a usage limit. So what you can actually do when this happens is you can sign out, right, and then just sign into a new account. So let's just go shopifysurfers@gmail.com, which is my other YouTube channel. Sign in, and then allow, and then literally from there, you can just go back to the same conversation and just say continue, which is kind of hilarious, to be honest with you, but shout out to Google for that. Okay, so that's the homepage done, or at least it should be. So let's do npm run dev, and then open that up. And this should work. There we go. Beautiful. Pretty much exactly what we had in Stitch. And now we just keep doing the next pages and we keep saying do the SEO for everything, right? So let's just go back to Stitch, this one right here. Let's delete the home page, right? And then let's see if we can export multiple of these at once. Okay, let's do download. That works too. So we can just drag this like this, I guess. Maybe not. Let's unzip it first. We can't do it because it's zipped. Okay, so let's put this actually in the project like that. Add folder to workspace. There we go. Now we should be able to do at open agent. No, we should be able to do. Okay, yeah, we should be able to do at Stitch. Or let's just do. Oh, wrong project. Yeah, so we'll do at Stitch like that. No, it doesn't work. So let's go here, go to mentions, directories, and then look for Stitch. Okay, so yeah, you can drag and drop them like you can drag and drop it like that, and then say input the rest of the pages, do all the SEO for all of them. This is a website in Italy, so make sure sorry, in Campania, Italy. So make sure the SEO and content makes sense for that. There we go, 100%. And you can also do that in the stitch phase as well. I forgot to mention that it was supposed to be in Campania. So, and then yeah, just like that, you kind of slowly but surely build up the entire website, right? Instead of doing a one-shot prompt, you just build it up slowly. So you can see we've start to get pages coming in fast. We've got /fleet, we've got /weddings, and it's literally this easy, guys. Like you can even let it do the pricing. You can add Stripe at a later date, which is super simple if you just follow this kind of concept of doing everything step by step. So this is /corporate, executive excellence in Napoli. And then all I've said here is now make service plus location pages. I was supposed to say 10, but I just said make them. And you just kind of start adding more and more content, right? And this is taken 7 minutes, 6 minutes, which is extremely fast to have this amount of stuff already. And then it's added them here already. So this is weddings in Napoli. Wow, that was super fast, actually. It's crazy. And then Sorrento weddings, for example. Really, really amazing, guys. You need to try this. Google Stitch plus AntiGravity together are a killer combo for really good looking websites in literally 6 minutes, I think that was. I'll leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching. This is a really, really positive update from Google. Massive fan of it. If you're watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. I'll see you very, very soon for some more content. Peace out.